It's from brand Nile Trailblazer. It is made of metal alloy and some plastic. Here is the exhaust. The tire made from rubber. And here's the second part. This is the connector one. It is made from plastic. And also the wheels are from rubber. The movement is from hydraulic system. And the third part is the blade. It is made from metal alloy.
Complete.
Wheel loader. This loader is a heavy equipment machine used in construction to move or load materials. A loader is a type of tractor usually wheeled, sometimes on track, that has a front-mounted wide bucket connected to the end of two arms to scoop up loose material from the ground. Loader is commonly used to move a stockpiled material from ground level and deposit it into an awaiting dump truck or into an open trench excavation. Similar from the previous one, it is from brand Nile Trailblazer. It is made from metal alloy, cabin, and some plastic. The tires are from rubber. Here is the second part. It is made from plastic and also metal. The gimmick comes from hydraulic movement.
Complete.
Wheel excavator. Wheel excavator is a versatile machine for general excavating as well as road and bridge construction. The advantage to using a wheel excavator is access to urban environments. This excavator hits the road at speeds up to 25 miles per hour. No truck or trailer required. When hydraulic fluid is pumped into the cylinder, it pushes the piston, which in turn drives the rod. And here's the detail of the ladder to climb up to the cabin. made from metal, rubber tire. And the second part is the roller, made from plastic and little metal composite. It is written also danger on the right and the left side.
Complete.
Road roller. A road roller is a compactor type engineering vehicle used to compact soil, gravel, concrete, or asphalt in the construction of roads and foundations. A single drum roller is a vibratory type roller consisting of a large steel drum in front and two wheels in rear. And here's the fourth tractor from the Nile Trailblazer. Still has the same materials and details. And here's the second part. This is the connector, with the tire is from rubber, the connector from plastic. It also has hydraulic gimmick. And the third part is the forks. The forks are made from metals and the plate from plastic.
Complete.
Forklift. A forklift is a motor-driven industrial truck used for lifting and moving goods on a pallet within the premises of a warehouse, storage facilities, and distribution center. By using a forklift, the process of moving goods from one location to another is certainly faster, so that the company's productivity can increase. And here's the last vehicle of this video. This is from brand Truck Top. It is totally made from plastic. There is no metal alloy composite. At the connector, it is written power. This connector is also made from plastic with hydraulic gimmick. And the third part is V-plate shape, which is made from plastic.
Complete.
V-blade loader. This loader is widely used for the daily snow removing works in places such as airports, parking lots, squares, highways, and expressways. This V-blade offers more of a performance edge than the straight blade